Hi everyone, today I will show you how to hard reset Huawei P Smart 2019. So, first you have to turn off your device, press and hold power button and press power off. And when it's completely off, you have to press volume up button and power button together. 1, 2, 3. And when you see the logo, you have to release power button and continue pressing volume up button. Continue pressing volume up button until you are in recovery mode. Okay, we are in recovery mode, and here we have a data factory reset. Press on that, and here we have to type yes to confirm the reset. Yes, and tap wipe data factory reset, and once again tap here wipe data factory reset, and wait this percentage to complete. And this device is completely reset. That was all. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.